Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to get more views on your Instagram profile. This will also bring in more followers and more likes. These are real people. This is not any robots just liking your stuff. So these people will stick around and you will get more likes and follows and views. I've personally used this and it is still working great for me to this day. Also, guys, I am giving away a Galaxy S10. If you would like to win this, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below why you deserve it, and make sure you are subscribed.
So guys, I'm now on my phone, and as you can see, I already have the Instagram Plus Plus app downloaded. What this app does after you install is you click on it and you just log in with your existing Instagram account, and then you were able to tweak your followers, your likes. And guys, these are also real people. These are not bots, so the followers and likes will stick around. So let's go ahead with the first step, which is go to your internet. Type in the search bar odexgen.com. This will take us to odexgen.com, which is a tweaked app store for iOS and Android. Scroll down a good bit, it's near the bottom here. Okay, here it is, fifth one from the bottom. Go ahead and click that. Click download Instagram Plus Plus, and this pop-up will come up. This is just showing you what the process is like. It's downloading the application. Now it's checking your device requirements. This might take a second or two, so be patient, don't rush it. Okay, starting download. Okay, now this takes us here with the captcha completion challenge. This sometimes happens, but not all the time. So what you need to do is, there's 4 offers here, and you have to complete all 4 of the offers, and then your app will begin to download. But you do occasionally get a survey, but you mostly get the app downloads and installation offer. The surveys are very easy, just a couple questions. You might have to put your email in or something, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the app one. Click the app, click OK. Alright, this will redirect you to the App Store. Most of y'all will probably have to click install and download. If you need to pause and wait a second, that is completely fine, but I'm going to go ahead and click open. Now once you are in the app, all you have to do is sit here for 30 seconds. You don't have to log in with anything. You don't have to do anything. All you got to do is just sit here for 30 seconds. Very simple, very easy. Once you are there for 30 seconds, go ahead back to the verification page and complete the last 3 offers. Now, once all of these offers are completed, the verification tick at the bottom will stop ticking, and then your download will begin shortly.
Again, guys, after you have completed the verification, the download will begin. If you guys have any comments or concerns, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to review as many as I can. Also, do not forget I'm giving away the Galaxy S10. If you do want to win this, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below why you deserve it, and make sure you are subscribed.